Samosa chaat is fast, chaotic and unbelievably satisfying. Crisp samosas meet tangy tamarind, bright mint chutney, cool yogurt and a warm spiced chickpea base. It's sweet, sour, spicy and crunchy in every bite. I'll take you through each component, then we'll assemble it in minutes. You'll need 8 medium vegetable samosas, fully cooked. We'll re-crisp them later so they stay crunchy. For the chickpea base, heat 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a medium saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle until aromatic. Add 1 finely chopped medium onion with a pinch of salt and sauté until soft and lightly golden at the edges. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute until the raw smell fades. Add 300 grams of chopped tomatoes or drained tinned tomatoes to the same weight. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Cook this down for 6 to 8 minutes until the tomatoes break and the masala looks glossy. Tip in 2 tins of drained chickpeas and 250 milliliters of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of amchur or a tablespoon of tamarind paste for tang. Bring it to a simmer and cook 8 to 10 minutes, mashing a few chickpeas to thicken. Stir in 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala. Taste and adjust salt, heat and sourness. Keep it warm and glossy on low heat. Make the tamarind chutney. In a small pan, add 60 grams of tamarind paste, 80 grams of jaggery or soft dark brown sugar, and 6 chopped dates if you like extra body. Add half a teaspoon of roasted ground cumin, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of black salt or regular salt, and 250 milliliters of water. Bring to the boil, then simmer 8 to 10 minutes until syrupy and shiny. Cool it. Blend and strain if you want it ultra smooth. Make the green chutney. In a blender, add 40 grams of fresh coriander, 20 grams of mint leaves, 1 small deseeded green chilli, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Blend until vibrant and smooth. Taste and adjust the salt and lemon. Whisk the yogurt. In a bowl, whisk 300 grams of plain yogurt with a pinch of sugar and a pinch of salt. Loosen with a tablespoon or 2 of cold water until it's spoonable and silky. Keep it chilled. Prep the toppings. Finely dice a small red onion and a small firm tomato. Chop a handful of fresh coriander. Have sev ready for crunch and a handful of pomegranate seeds if you like. Keep chaat masala and roasted ground cumin nearby. Cut a couple of lemons into wedges. Re-crisp the samosas just before assembly. For the oven, heat to 180 degrees, 160 fan. Bake the cooked samosas for 10 to 12 minutes until hot and crisp. For shallow frying, heat 1 to 2 centimeters of oil and fry 1 to 2 minutes per side until the pastry is crisp again. Drain well, keep them whole for now. We're ready to assemble. Warm your bowls. Spoon 2 to 3 ladles of hot chickpeas into the center and spread slightly. Place 2 hot samosas on top and crack them into large chunks so the flaky layers show. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of whisked yogurt. Drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons of tamarind chutney for sweetness and tang. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of green chutney for freshness and heat. Scatter a handful of finely diced onion and tomato. Shower 1 to 2 tablespoons of sev over the top. Dust with a pinch of chaat masala and a little roasted cumin. Finish with chopped coriander and a few pomegranate seeds. Serve immediately with lemon wedges. Adjust to taste as you like. For sweeter, add a touch more tamarind chutney or a pinch of sugar in the yogurt. For more sourness, squeeze extra lemon or add a little more tamarind to the chickpeas. For more heat, add extra green chilli to the chutney or a pinch more chilli powder to the chickpeas. Go easy on the salt if your chaat masala is salty. For presentation, aim for contrast and height. The chickpeas should look glossy, the samosa shards should look crisp, and the yogurt and chutney should be drizzled, not smothered. Finish with sev, coriander and pomegranate so the top looks bright and textured. That's samosa chaat. Hot, cold, crisp, creamy and tangy in every bite. Make the chutneys ahead. Simmer the chickpeas while you chop toppings, then assemble fast and eat straight away. It's bold, messy and completely addictive.